Good morning, friends. Wish you a happy 2022. We are just starting a second day of the video. The topic is about time management. Time is precious. Once the time is left over, it cannot be taken back, it cannot be retrieved. And thinking for the second time about the time we have already spent doesn't make sense or meaningful. So, how do you make time management? Let's say any kind of parent or you know a man or woman or kids, they all have the responsibility to go to school, college, or business or workplace. Every person has a different places to commitments to go upon. We have already discussed in the planning. It's an expansion of that. You should watch the video of planning. The expansion of that is any person in the recent days are able to spend only morning 2 to 3 hours or evening 2 to 3 hours with the family or of their own individuality. That is the time you get up and the time you go back to your responsibility, and the time you come back to home, and the time you need to sleep. So this 6 hours is the only potential hours you have for yourself. So this 6 hours is the potential hours you're going to spend to improve your personality. The main 8 hours are spent in the responsibility where you need to be, and rest of the 6 to 8 hours you're going to have it in sleep. And in that 6 to 8 hours you are allocating 2 or 3 hours for your mobile and internet and technology and online media. So where are you going to improvise yourself? Where is the chance of it? Could anyone answer? So the time you get up and you go back to your responsibility, to office or school or college, it's a time you need to plan for the day. We could say for the food, for our day to day, freshen up, getting ourselves dress up, our mindset, the family, and individual, you need to remote from one place to another. All this comes under the time management. You might feel there are so many things bombarding in your mind. Write down everything. As we told in planning, put down in the columns. In the planning, what we did is we put down the responsibility. Now you put down the time frame where you need to complete it, or will you be able to do it at least. So in the meantime, gradually what happens, your time will be refined, retuned, and retimed. That is, for example, you're getting at 6 o'clock, you are starting to office or college or business place by 8 or 9 o'clock. So you have 3 hours. Now you need to do a workout, or you need to spend time for your own individuality. You should get up at 5. Retune your timing. When you retime it, for example, you're getting up 6 o'clock, you decide, okay, from tomorrow onwards, I have to get up at 5 o'clock. So that is called as retuning, retiming, right? So this retuning is required in each and every task. It is required in your sleep time. It is required in your office hours time or business hours. It is required in, for example, kids go to school and they come back and they have to do their homework, right? So it is retuning is most important. And I strictly adhere, like, never work after the office hours. Never go to tuition or any other center to study after your school or college timing. The timing you have between 10 to 6, your office hours, or 8:30 to 3 o'clock is your school or college. That is the time you have to read. You need to study. You need to spend a potential time. Say, okay, 3 days you're not spending potential time. At least 4th or 5th day you need to spend potential time. You cannot be, taking more and more time involving the same work. It becomes a completely waste of time. Don't go for tuitions and other activities. Apart from school, you want to do something, go for classes, drawing or music, athletes, sports. You can even, if you're a gaming person, you can even learn about animation. You can learn about more about technology. Yes, that is going to improvise yourself. You're going to make an improvement in your life, in your goal and an attitude. And this creates your personality. If you are best in time management, you can delete two words in your life. One is stress, other is problems. When you are going to have a proper time management, whether you have a solution, whether you have success or not, you will be a satisfied person. Just take it in return. You will be a perfect satisfied person in what we do because you have done the way you wanted to. Ultimately, success will happen in course of time. Thank you and have an excellent time. This is just 0.01% of planning. We are going to see more and more topics on the planning. That is how to, we have only seen the morning schedule, right? What about the evening schedule? So you come back home, you need to time to freshen up yourself, eat something, prepare for your dinner, go out for shopping for the next day utilities, prepare yourself for the next day, like cutting vegetables or preparing your reports. Don't do anything after office hours. Try to complete everything during the office hours. You allocate the time like that. That we will see in a separate topic. So the morning and evening hours, it's very crucial time. We are running behind something or the other. This dismisses your happiness. This take away all your potential energetic time. Thus, finally, you feel you're so much burdened, bombarded, or stressed, or the responsibility becomes so problematic. Delete all these things. Just try 0.001% of this time management. You will feel the difference in that. Sleeping hours, okay, you had your freshen up, your homework, or the things you need to do for shopping or the next day, planning. When are you going to sleep? 8, 9, 10? And I will say your dinner time should be between 7 to 10 based on your thing. If you are a school or college person, you need to, or elderly person, you need to have your dinner between 7 to 8. Between 9 to 10:30 you can have a drink, any kind of fresh milk or fresh juice or fruits to add to your appetite. And if you are sleeping between 10 to 12, try to sleep between 10 to 10:30. I know you need to spend time for your social media. You're spending 2 hours, reduce it to half an hour. Is that going to derive you something? So surely after a period of time, when the time is managed and retuned in every activity, that time you can increase wherever you wanted to, based on your requirements. So the morning hours we have discussed about the evening hours and the sleep. So try to get up at least by 5 o'clock. It is the aura time. You need success. You need to be positive. If you need to be positive, you need to get up at 5 o'clock. That's the only option there. So what about your office hours? Whatever work you do, there's an elaborate topic which I been doing for the 2 decades. I will teach you. Will define you on this. Whatever you do so when you step into your office, when you step into the exact step into your office premises, on your floor, you are only that person. You shouldn't remember about your individuality, your family members, your kids, and anything else, and other responsibility. Here, all your time is only for this. If you think like this and start doing the time management, your time will be potential and productive. List out the things, everything in Excel sheet, not in Word or notebook. Allocate the time. Every work you do, the next minute immediately you send mail to your management, your superiors or seniors, or if you have, nowadays everybody is having in a WhatsApp group. Every work you do, immediately just put it. You know what happens? End of the day, whenever you wanted to create a report, you sit for the whole day. Don't do that. When you put a message in group saying that, okay, this ABC client, we have met, proposal is sent, they are considering us for the next order. Okay, this is the work you have done. Put it in the group. The boss will be seeing it. He will not be monitoring you. Same thing, you put it in your Excel sheet where the report has to be done. One report to show the total performance, one report to show the individual day performance. This is very important. Individual, see, one day after so many 3 months, 6 months, suddenly you are being reviewed by your management. They say, what have you done that day? This individual tracker will help you show. You can show the tracker, okay, what you were doing between 10 to 6 in the office. Every hour, every minute, every second counts. Thus, you are not an expense to the company. You are an investment. You are being productive. You are being potential. So, management considered as you an investment where they get complete returns for the growth of the company. Won't you be satisfied on this? Even the company will be satisfied. I am really right on this. So let's speak on this more and more. We have just touched a few points on each time duration between morning, office hours, evening, and sleep time. Have a fantastic day. Thank you. Love you all, my dear friends. Please do follow, subscribe for my channel Hema Malini Satyamurthy anywhere in Google or YouTube. Thank you.